Right ladies, welcome to 102 of the new camera end Voscom box that we've got there. So one nice little Peli-Case for you. So what I've done, I've already set up this malarkey here. You all know how it works. That's the newer controller, so don't worry about him yet. It's your TP-Link. Let's pretend that's your truck for now. That's all your power cables there, and that's your truck end Voscom with all your video, your data and your ST. So we're going to assume that this is your 12 core cable, or single mode as we call it. So that obviously will run from the truck all the way down to the camera with the power obviously. So I'll leave them there for the moment. So when you get to the positions, obviously a lot of you have already worked on these. You have your power cable there and you have your single mode cable there. What this box simply does, it makes it so much easier to rig. So you've got your little wooden plate there that you're going to put on your scaff bar and your ratchet strap. It's also got a safety bond that needs to be put strapped around the scaff bar. This is the interesting bit. So this is basically the Voscom. So this is all the outputs and inputs that you're going to need. So let's say you arrive at your position, you've got your camera, you've got your clamp and you've got your power supply. So then you pop this open and there you've got your Voscom with all your internal cables rigged for you. You see there, you've got your main, you've got your spare, you've got your camera input, you've got your video output for your monitor, you've got your data cable there, that allows you to control it, and then you've got your spare fibre there, just in case the main one doesn't work. What I've also done, I don't know if you can see that, is a little tiny groove there, a little tiny groove. That is for this little bad boy. So obviously, when you get to there, the only thing you've got to plug in is him. So it does fit in there quite nicely, so when you shut the lid it doesn't trap him. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. I can't, 1 second. Okay, so that's all powered up, that's your PSG for your camera. You can see the camera's doing its thing, it's warming up. Waiting for the little green light to pop up. Go on son, make my day. There we go, so we know he's on and he's working. Now, all you got to do is grab your video cable from your SDI output there, pop them in. I don't know if you can see that, I've scarred it in there with a soldering iron. It says vid in. Vid in means video in, input. That's coming from your camera. Even though it says SDI output there, we're going in here. So, he's in. And basically that's just a little barrel, if you can see that. My camera focuses, come on. So yeah, just connect circuit straight there, going straight into the Voscom. So that's your video done. Data, same thing. Follow it round, get it in, and just pop it in the little port there for it. So that's now your data done. Then get your single mode and go into your main. So that's the same thing as the video cable. It's literally just going to go like that, straight into there. I'm using this one. Pop him into there, and fingers crossed we get a picture, and we have got a picture. So you can see him there moving around, so you know it works, all works fine. Now what I've added to this is to make it easier when you're framing up the shot, is this video out port here. Come on, video out. That is for your monitor, which is just there. Get your video cable, put him in there. Get your power cable for this. Unfortunately, we haven't got a battery monitor yet. We're going to have to wait for that. Should have plugged this in earlier. Give me a second. So I plugged him in. So at the moment, the only thing you're going to be powering out of this box is the monitor. There is a battery monitor on board the tender. If you ask some guys on the tender, I'm sure they'll be able to help you out. And there you go, it's all working fine. So that way you don't have to unplug anything in there, you can just get a straight feed. Sweet.